Hi everyone, this is Brahmesh, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, USD and stocks analysis for the coming week. Which sector will be important, what are the important astro dates and the levels which we need to watch out for. So first thing is the important astro and GAN events. So first is Saturn ingress. Saturn is moving in Aquarius and it turns direct. And there are two Bayes rules which are coming. First is Bay rule 27, big tops and bottoms are made when Mercury speed in geocentric latitude is 59 minutes or 1 degree 58 minutes. And Bayes rule 6, which says that price is at in bottom when Mars was 16 degree 35 minutes of some sign. So basically, these are the astro events. The most important thing is Saturn. Saturn is going in ingress. Saturn is a very, very big. I mean, it is the second largest planet of the solar system, and it creates. It has big impact on all the outer planets. These are like Saturn, Jupiter, Pluto. These are called as outer planet, and they have a very good impact because these are slow-moving planets, and they helps in long-term direction or long-term direction of the market. So Saturn ingress and Saturn turn directs. Now Saturn, which sectors will get impacted by Saturn? Let's quickly have a look at that also. So if I go in my notes, Saturn rules iron and steel, heavy engineering, capital goods, metal sector, telecommunication, and more importantly, it has a good impact on real estate and tobacco also, automobile parts. So automobile, tobacco, so ITC should be on radar. All the iron and steel, so Tata Steel, Jindal Steel, capital goods is L&T. So based on my analysis, these are the stocks which you needs to be taken care of, based on which are having impact of Saturn. So, having said that, let's quickly see, does Saturn really have a big impact on long-term cycles? So, I've opened a chart of Tata Steel, and here I have applied, I'm using a software timing solution. Saturn is going in direct, So, I applied this, you can see here, it went direct on 9/29, so 29 September 2020. As you can see, it went in direct, and from there, see the move in Tata Steel. It was 400 at that time, and the day it is leaving out of its direct, it is moved all the way towards 1100. So it was a three bagger stock. Similarly, you can check for all other, you know, steel stocks. Now this cycle is starting today. I mean today. So today's high and low you can apply, and these will be important and valid all the way towards uh, this point, which is around 5th June 2022. So it's a big period and lot of ups and downs can happen, but these today's high and low will act as a pivot, like we have seen here how beautifully Saturn has turned into, it changes the long-term direction of the stock. Saturn, Jupiter, all the outer planets changes the long-term direction, and it can be used for investment also. So very good move captured here. So this is about Saturn direct and ingress. Now coming to the next point, which are Bayes date. So before that, I wanted to show you why 11th is such an important date. As you can see here, this is my Astro database, and it gives me what dates are important. So whenever a date is having more than 6, 7 Astro dates, these are very important. Like second, I think second was a holiday. So first we made a bottom in Nifty. This was first, and from there we had a good rally. And the next date was 6. This was the date where we had that big correction and outside bar pattern. So you can see here 6 was again 7 days, and now 11th is having 4 days. So, and more importantly 14th. 14th will be a very, very important date, which is 7th. So 11th is having 4 days, but there are two events like 9th. 9th it was 9 days, and 9th was a holiday. So definitely the impact will be seen today only. Now, what are the important dates? So, like I've told you, George Bayer's two rules are coming. So, let's quickly go and check. First is rule number 27. Mercury speed in longitude, geocentric is 59 minutes, 1 degree 58 minutes. And rule number 6, Mars in geocentric latitude plus 330 degrees. Let me quickly show you these two things also. So, this is speed of Mercury 58 degrees and 59 minutes, like we have discussed. It happened on this day 4th also, and from there we had a good rally. It loses low was never breached, and this day is coming today. For intraday players, watch out for first 15 minutes high and low. Whichever side is broken, take the trade. For positional swing traders, watch out for today's high and low to take a trade. And if I go ahead and check the rule number 6, which is Mars in all zodiac, You can see here this also leads to a good move. See, it was a small top here and a good rally. It was almost at the bottom here, and from there we had been rallying nicely. So these it was exact bottom, from there a good rally. So these are rules which gives you an extra edge. Exact top, and from there we had a good fall. So this is about it. So these are the important astro date stocks which needs to be watch out for. Now let me quickly show you the levels which we need to watch out for. For Nifty, 718 850 is an important level, and 956 if it gets breached, uh, then this will be a very very important phenomenon, and we should go about around these levels. And these are the important support levels which you need to watch out. Bank Nifty 37,800 is an important level. 38,100 and 38,337. Watch out for these levels. If these are breached, then Bank Nifty should very quickly and rapidly it should move around 39,000, 39,100. And for USD 75, 13 is an important level. USD is almost up 1% last week, and and we have a very very important USD date on 14th, so that also needs to be watch out for. Watch out for 17, 13 odd levels. So these are the levels which I'm watching out for. Let me quickly show you the neural analysis. So this is for Bank Nifty, a small fall around 12th, a major kind of bottom, and from there a good rally. And this is the neural analysis of Nifty. Again, it is showing around 12th, we can see a top, and from there we can see a good decline in the market. So that's about it. In this video, we have discussed, important aspects. Let's see what Saturn creates, uh, what Saturn has the impact on the markets, and the two Bayes dates, which involves Mercury. Mercury has a very big impact both on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And watch out for USD. It is showing a good fall. Let's see how far it goes. So stay disciplined, stay with the right position size, and best wishes to everyone. Thank you.